Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will talk about the interface of 3D Max 2017 using menus and some icons. This will be a quick view about the program and we will give examples showing that. The next tutorial will give more examples and exercises in this program. Let's begin. As you see, in the first time you open this program, you can notice the interface. Here we can find menus, list bars. In the right side of the side or the window, we can find multiple tabs for this program. In this menu, we can find or we can see most important commands. A new tab to open a new document to work in it. Reset to reset this program or to reset the interface. Open using for open file that found in another partition. Okay, let's go deeply to give more examples and showing this program. The workspace of this program divide into four spaces or four workspaces. The top workspace showing the objects from the top side, the left side showing the objects from the left, and the front side showing the objects from the front side. The main or the most important thing is our workspace is perspective space. In this workspace we can put our work and make some modulation in it. Okay, we can select any workspace from these four workspaces by pressing Alt W. Let's begin to give some examples about using this program. As we said, this is 3D Max 2017, a new version of 3D Max programs. This is belonging to Autodesk company. You can use this program for animation, graphics, games development. Let's begin to give this example. Before that, here we can find 6 tabs. Every tab have different tasks. The first tab consider the most important tab. We can find box, sphere, cylinder. Let's begin. Let's talk box tab or select box tab. We can sphere. Let's make some extended to the perspective tab. Okay, we have select box we have select or a box. We can extend or using parameters to increase the number of length segment, width segment, but to show these segments you should activate edge faces. Here we can increase length segment or width segment or height segment. Okay, like this. The most important thing in this program, you can't modify this box. To modify it, you should convert to editable poly by pressing it, then convert to editable poly. Here you can find a very important thing. Editable poly give you the opportunity or the ability to control the vertex, the edge, the border, polygon and element of this object. If we put or if we press the polygon, we can show here extrude, bevel, brush. This is these things or icons give me the ability to control the object as a whole. For example, extrude to make like this, bevel like this. Okay, we can from the top of this object bevel. Okay, extrude. Okay, vertex. If we select vertex, the vertex give me the ability to control the points, the edges of the object. As we see, edge, we can use it to control the edges or the borders of the object. Okay, let's delete that and give another example. We can delete it by select the object and press delete from the keyboard. If we press this tab, we can see standard primitive as we said before. Also, we can see extended primitive, primitives, compound object. We will talk about these things in the next tutorials, step by step. We can select the sphere from here, and we can control this sphere by selecting it and convert to editable poly. If we select vertex, as we said, the vertex showing, can delete the top of this sphere by selecting this point, then press delete from keyboard like this. Okay, here we can find two new commands, chamfer and connect. Chamfer to make some modulation to its, can select these things, then using the chamfer like this. Okay, connect to make connection between points in this object like this. More connections between objects. Okay, this is okay. If something error happened with you when you work in this program like this. Everything, some conflict happen in workspaces. We can use workspace default, or we can press default with enhance menus. Everything will be reset to the first time. Okay, the program takes some times. Okay, or we can use workspace default. Okay, okay, we will through books again. If something error happened with me, we can use also reset menu to reset workspaces again. Okay, okay, we can showing and hiding a grid in the workspace by press this tab like this. Okay, we can use this tab, select a uniform scale to control the size of the object. How we can maximize or minimize the object or the size of the object. This tab select, or this tool select and move. We can select the object and control the object, how we can move it from place to another place. Okay, like this. Here something is good for users who are using this program. From the menu, tools can find Scene Explorer by default. By pressing this tab, we can showing Scene Explorer. In Scene Explorer, everything do in workspace will appear here as an transactions, like this: sphere, cylinder, and you can control hiding or showing this by pressing in the eye icon, okay, this is Scene Explorer. That's enough for this lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe and press like. In the next lectures or tutorials, we will give more examples about this program by modeling chairs, tables, telephone, etc. Goodbye.